So let's start off with the desktop extension for MetaMask, and then I'm going to show you the MetaMask mobile app and how to pair these two together. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit metamask.io to get to the official MetaMask website. Be careful of any scams out there in terms of people using a fake URL. You're best off to just type this in and make sure you're on the official MetaMask website. Now at this point, we're going to click on the handy button right here that says download for Chrome, and you are going to want to have Google Chrome as a first step here in terms of getting the extension going. So we're going to click on that now and install the extension. So I'm just going to simply click on this blue Add to Chrome button at the top right, and then click on Add Extension. And just like that, it opens up the MetaMask extension for us. If you want to play around with the Fox, you can move your cursor around. And then at this point, you can either create a new wallet, or if you have an existing seed phrase, you would click on Import an existing wallet. For this video, we're going to be starting from scratch, so I'm going to click on Create a New Wallet. And at this point, you can either agree or disagree to sharing of data. I'm just going to click I agree, but you can make your own decision about that. So one of the very first things you're going to have to do is set a password for your MetaMask wallet. Go ahead and do this now with a password that you will remember. Once you've gone ahead and filled out your password, you're going to check the box that says, I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So you really need to make sure that you remember this password. So we're going to click on the box here and then click on Create a New Wallet. So what this talks about here is your secret recovery phrase, which is the master key to your wallet and your funds. If anybody gets access to that, your wallet is as good as theirs because they could jump right in there and take control of your assets. It also mentions that even the team at MetaMask is not able to help you if you lose your recovery phrase. So it's very important. It's the most important thing actually for you to record this and store it in a secure location. A few things they mentioned is you can save it in a password manager, you can store it in a safe deposit box, and you can write it down and store this in multiple secret places to have some built-in redundancy. So once you understand all of that and are ready to record your 12-word phrase, you're going to click on Secure My Wallet, which is recommended, and then at this point it's going to have the phrase down below, but right now it's covered up because it says make sure nobody is looking. Once you click on Reveal, you're going to want to record this phrase and ideally store it in an offline location. Probably your best bet would be to record it on something like an index card and tuck it with any important files that you might keep in a safety deposit box, fireproof box, safe, etc. So what we're going to do is click on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase, and now I'm going to go ahead and copy this to the clipboard, and I'm just going to paste this in a Google Doc for myself. Now again, this is just a demo wallet, so I'm not being as careful with it, but if you're storing a large amount of crypto in this, you're going to want to be more secure than just putting this into a Google Doc, because if anybody accessed your Gmail, they'd be able to get into that document with ease. At this point, we're going to click on the blue Next button, and it's going to have you confirm your recovery phrase by entering in a few of the words here, and it's going to make sure that you have actually in fact recorded this because you have to now validate the words that they gave you. Once you're all set with that, we're going to click on the blue confirm button, and it says wallet creation successful. So the phrase that we entered matched the one it gave us, so we have successfully made our wallet. And then once you are all set on this screen, you're going to click on the blue got it button. And now we're going to click on next because the install is now complete and we have created that wallet. So after clicking on the next button, it shows us how to access the MetaMask wallet by clicking on the icon in the corner. So for now, we're going to click on the blue done button. And just like that, we are now inside of this MetaMask wallet that we have successfully created. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the MetaMask app on your phone and pair your accounts together by importing that wallet that we just created using your seed phrase. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit the App Store and then search for the MetaMask app, and then you're going to go ahead and install that. And then you're going to click on the open button here, and it's going to bring you right into the app. At this point, we're going to click on the blue Get Started button at the bottom, and in this case, instead of clicking on Create a New Wallet, we're actually going to select Import Using Secret Recovery Phrase, and we are now going to need to utilize the phrase that it generated for us in the earlier steps when we were setting up the desktop extension. And now what you're going to do is simply add in this recovery phrase and then set a new password, and then at that point you'll be able to access your MetaMask wallet through your mobile phone. Now once you've entered that information and confirmed the password, you're going to click on the blue import button, button, and this is going to import this wallet to MetaMask, and you can also decide if you want to use Face ID or not. And just like that, we have now linked the same wallet to the MetaMask application.